In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Docusign for free. Docusign is one of the world's leading platforms for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, and in just 5 minutes you can learn how to access and utilize it without spending a dime. Now, whether you're looking to secure signatures on important documents for business or personal reasons, or you're just curious about the digital signature process, this guide has got you covered. Firstly, you're going to want to head over to Docusign's website. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in docusign.com. Once the page loads, you'll notice a sleek, user-friendly interface designed to simplify your online signing experience. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen and you'll see an option to log in. Now you might be thinking, but wait, I don't have an account yet. Don't worry, the next step is meant for those of you just getting started. Instead of logging in, look right below the login button. You'll find the sign up for free link, your key to getting started without any upfront costs. Clicking on the sign up for free takes you to a new page. Here you'll see a prompt to enter your email address. It's a straightforward form, just pop in the email you wish to associate with your new Docusign account. It could be a work email, your personal one, or a brand new account you've created specifically for handling digital signatures. Hit the Get Started button once you've typed in your email. This action is going to do exactly what it says. Kickstart your journey into using digital signatures with Docusign. From here, you'll receive an email to verify your account, which is standard practice for ensuring that your account is secure and ready for use. Open the verification email, click the provided link, and voila, your Docusign account should be activated. Now you have access to a platform where you can upload almost any document format, identify the recipients for your documents, and place signature tabs wherever needed within your files. All of this comes under the introductory offer of using Docusign for free. It's important to remember that even though this is a free trial, Docusign provides robust tools that are perfect for testing out its functionality before considering any payment plans. With those steps complete, you're on your way to simplifying your document management process, ensuring that you never have to worry about prints, scans, or physical mail again. Happy signing, everyone!